Welcome. If you've ever wanted to save all the video messages from a Telegram group directly to your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, exporting your group's video messages is now easier than ever. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the official desktop version, as this feature isn't available on the mobile app. Once you're logged in, find the group from which you want to export video messages. Click to open the group chat. Next, look at the top of the chat window and click on the group's name. This will open the group's contact info page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and more. Now look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the contact info page. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the tool you'll use to download your group's content, including video messages, directly to your computer. A new window will pop up with several options for exporting your chat history. Here, you'll see different types of media you can include in your export. Make sure to check the box next to Video Messages. You can also choose to export other media like photos, files, or voice messages if you'd like. Set your preferred time range and file format. Most people find the HTML format easiest to use, as it lets you view your export in any web browser. Once you've selected video messages and adjusted any other settings, click the Export button. Telegram will start gathering all the video messages from the group. Depending on the size of your group's chat history, this process might take a few moments. When the export is complete, Telegram will notify you and provide a link to view your exported data. Click Show My Data to open the folder where your video messages have been saved. You can now access and watch all your group's video messages offline, right from your computer. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've exported all video messages from your Telegram group. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your Telegram memories.